Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Smeg Dishwasher not draining, drain filter, hose blockage and error reset. To fix the Smeg Dishwasher not draining, clean the filter. Remove the bottom rack, twist the cylindrical filter counterclockwise, lift it out and rinse away all trapped food debris. Or unblock the pump. Scoop out standing water, remove the small plastic pump cover, and clear any debris jamming the impeller blades. Then reset the system. Press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds to force a 2-minute automated drain cycle. Fix 1. Clean the drain filter. Scoop out cooled water with a cup or use a sponge to soak it up. Then pull out the bottom dish basket to fully access the floor of the machine. After that, grip the filter assembly tabs, twist it anti-clockwise and lift the cylinder out. Then lift out the flat stainless steel micro mesh plate as well. Now separate the two plastic filter sections by pressing the body or pushing the center upward. Then rinse all the components thoroughly under hot running water with a stiff brush. After that, check the exposed hole beneath the filter for hidden obstructions like glass fragments, plastic wraps, or seeds and remove them carefully. Fix 2. Clear hose blockages. The drain hose transports wastewater from the machine to your under-sink plumbing. Clogs frequently form at the connection joint, so check for kinks. Look underneath the sink and behind the dishwasher to ensure the gray flexible hose has no sharp bends. Then loosen the metal hose clamp connecting the gray hose to your sink drain pipe or garbage disposal. And disconnect the hose and use a small screwdriver or pipe cleaner to scrape out grease buildup from inside the spigot/nozzle. If the dishwasher drains into a garbage disposal, ensure the disposal is completely clear of food waste by running it for 30 seconds. Note for new installations. If the garbage disposal was recently installed, ensure the plastic knockout plug inside the disposal port was removed during setup. Fix 3. Unplug the drain pump impeller. Wear heavy-duty gloves to protect your hands from potential broken glass hidden in the sump. Some Smeg models feature a small removable plastic tab or cover over the pump chamber at the bottom of the sump. Pop this cover off with a spoon handle. Then feel inside for any foreign debris like bones, glass shards, or plastic tags. Ensure the little plastic fan blade impeller can spin freely when pushed manually. Fix 4. How to reset the dishwasher. On digital screen, this shows as E6, drainage fault, or E1/E4, overfill/flood protection activated due to backup. On non-digital models, it flashes specific light combination, often the second and third LEDs accompanied by beeping. So perform the soft reset. Press and hold the program selection button or the start/resume button for roughly 3 to 5 seconds. This forces the machine to cancel the current program and triggers an automatic 1-minute drain cycle to dump remaining water. Now, how to perform the hard power reset. If the machine remains frozen, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet or flip the kitchen circuit breaker for 15 minutes. This clears the control board's temporary memory cache. For clearing the anti-flood sensor E1/E4, if water leaked into the safety tray under the machine, the float switch activates the pump indefinitely. Safely pull the machine out, tilt it backwards at the 45-degree angle over towels to drain the internal base tray, and let it dry completely before restarting. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.